Bubbles, magnets, and more. Science Wednesday starts now. Watch out, there could be a sneaky trick answer. Maybe. A feather and a bowling ball are dropped in a vacuum. No air resistance. Nailed
Which
it.
one
They
accelerates
accelerate
faster?
at the same rate. Umami, one of the 5 basic tastes, is often described as nailed it, savory. Which treaty regulates international relations with respect to Antarctica? You got it, the Antarctic Treaty System. Why is it dangerous to listen to very loud sounds, e.g. at a concert, without hearing protection? That's right, hair cells in the cochlea can be permanently
Which animal
damaged.
is
known to have one of the most sensitive senses of smell in the animal kingdom? Nailed it, dog. Which type of cloud is most commonly associated with thunderstorm formation? That's right, cumulonimbus. Why does it take some time to see clearly after walking from bright sunlight into a dimly lit room? That's right, the iris takes time to dilate and let
Which
more
of the
light
following
in. Muscles is located in the calf? That's right, gastrocnemius. The central nervous system, CNS, is comprised of which 2 main structures? You got it, brain and spinal cord. Which of these is a benefit of using radiation to treat cancer, radiation therapy? Nailed it! It can shrink tumors and kill cancer
Thanks for
cells.
playing
like Follow Bell. History is next.